just as I've pretty much accepted defeat, Tony spots a group of walruses. Without hesitation, Mason turns the plane around and lands on the black sand beach.
I don't like this.
This is probably the furthest from civilization I've ever been, but I'm just happy to be alive with my feet on the ground again.
Where exactly are we?
Cape Cinnamon.
Okay.
Port Moller is down that way, and Falls Pass, where they bring the boats around the corner, the shortest route to Bristol Bay,
Okay.
is down there, and we're about 180 miles south of Natnik.
So
And,
it's not like you're gonna run into a lot of tourists down here.
No,
It's just us.
no, just us.
Okay. So we're on our own.
Yep.
We're on
Yep.
our own. Okay. Well,
Yep.
Yeah, and how many people a year would you say make it here? A dozen?
Yeah, not too many.
And there's 8 billion people on the planet, and we're the only ones here.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Great.
If I die, you have permission to eat me.
I'm not sure if that's a joke or not.